Are you frustrated with the results of your marketing and advertising efforts? Are you looking for new ways to gain business opportunity leads? Whether you're brick and mortar or a digital business, if you're struggling with lead generation, then you clicked on the right video. Here we will be sharing the best business opportunity leads you need to be tapping. Watch the entire video to discover the lead generation secrets the experts use. This is the BizInc, and we bring to you videos about social media, entrepreneurship and business ventures to explore in this age of internet and technology. If you find these topics interesting, do consider subscribing our channel and like the video if you find it useful. If you have any questions and opinions about the content, comment down below. Your views will be really appreciated by us. Now without further ado, let's start the video. Even though 90% of agencies claim that referrals are their top source for new leads, but you need to get ahead of the competition with a wide range of methods to attract clients. Relying on referrals isn't always the safest bet for your business. However, coming up with new and original ways to gain clients is no easy task. There are several things your company can be doing to get its name out there, so let's discuss about the most effective 7 ways to generate leads for your business. Number 1. Start a blog. Every business can benefit from having a blog. Blogging offers a great way to connect with your target customers, and it gives your business more of a presence in the online world. Yet, so many businesses neglect the idea of blogging consistently. Of course, you want to be tending to your client work first, and it's hard to find any employees with the time for it. But if you really want to see an influx of new leads, consistent blogging opens your business to plenty of networking opportunities. If you decide to make blogging part of your marketing strategy, you should be treating your blog as though it is a client. Brainstorm, execute and meet your deadlines. If you know that you can't take on the responsibility yourself, designate an employee to manage the blog. The blog doesn't have to be their main job, but someone needs to be in charge of making sure there is content being posted regularly. In creating your business's blog, start by making an editorial calendar that gives you blog posts for at least 6 months. After a few posts, conduct an SEO audit to make sure your blog is capable of generating a good amount of traffic. Consistent blogging can bring you significant business opportunity leads. Another form of this is to guest blog for other industry publications that share content for your ideal customers. Contributing your voice where your target customer is likely to see it is a great way to establish expertise in your field and lead a customer in. 2. Host a webinar. Hosting a webinar is a great opportunity to show potential customers your knowledge and expertise in your field. They get to hear your voice and see your face, which adds significant value in terms of their trust in you. Webinars can help grow your following. And if you're blogging and have a website, webinars can significantly grow your email subscriber list. Having more people on your list allows you to get your products and services in front of a larger audience, giving you better chances of selling and making more. Along the same lines of blogging, you can also choose to be a guest speaker on someone else's webinar. Doing this still puts you and your brand in front of an audience who is interested in your field. It is especially beneficial to promote a webinar around the time you have a product or service launch. Introducing your services to new audiences can vastly increase your sales. 3. Attend networking events. Attending networking events and conferences are helpful in generating new business opportunity leads. Yet, many businesses literally shy away from in-person networking, uncomfortable with the idea of it. Even if you're an introvert, the potential benefits of in-person networking are too good to miss out on. More so than webinars, potential customers or business partners get to witness your knowledge, brand, and expertise in person. This creates an even deeper level of trust. The key is to work the room and talk to as many people as you can. You don't necessarily have to do any selling, but getting your name and what you do out there is the important part. Set a goal of how many business cards you'll hand out. 4. Make use of LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows anyone to create and publish content on their platform. This social media platform for professionals has been proven to be the most successful for businesses' opportunity leads. Investing a little or more time here would be well worth it for your business. 5. Create a video for your website. With so many people claiming to be visual learners, a video explaining your product or services is a great touch to add to your website. A video helps you and your business stand out from the more traditional marketing techniques the majority of businesses are doing. Product explanation videos have strong potential to generate new leads. Videos are engaging and encourage viewers to take action. 6. Listen to your target clients on Twitter. Use Twitter to search for people who are interested in the topic your business and services are centered on. Engage with these people by tweeting them a solution to the problem they're having. This will in turn get them to look at you and your business, likely increasing your sales. Lastly, number 7. Warm call prospects. Research potential clients to know what they are looking for and how you can be of service. Be ready to prove why they should be giving you their time. This is especially helpful for generating leads when you have received a referral that you can mention. With social media, online presence and in-person networking, the techniques to generating business opportunity leads are endless. Implement one of these 7 techniques for your business marketing and watch your lead generation grow. Be willing to put in a little extra work up front, and eventually the techniques discussed in the video will pay off in the form of new clients. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We covered all the business opportunity leads you're not tapping, but should be as soon as possible to get your brand out there. Use the 7 ways to generate business leads in the video and you will definitely start seeing results as you grow your network more. If you liked our content, consider subscribing our channel to never miss out on any new video in the future. Also comment down which country you are from. This helps us to know our audience and bring out videos for every part of the world. This is the Biz Inc. signing off.